Why did you file yesterday or day before yesterday?
It was prepared and filed.
Give the hard copy.
353 posts have been filled up. The rest were not filled up because no eligible candidate was available.
No, unless you prepare combined seniority list, how did you determine? Where is the allotment of so and so post to each district?
That we have shown already.
No, 531. How you are distributed?
That we have already shown in the annexes earlier.
No, but nothing has been allotted to this particular district. Where are you going to fill up the balance vacancies in which district?
सर यार हम दलपति की नियुक्ति नहीं कर रहे हैं सर दलपति
You are not able to understand.
Milords, they are confusing the courts. Milords.
Lordship, supplementary.
How many? Fifth supplementary?
It's fourth supplementary.
Fourth.
Pursuant to your Lordship's order, Your Lordship, we have stated at paragraph 5.
Where is the affidavit? Affidavit.
We have filed affidavit. It is not on record.
It is not on record.
We have filed it yesterday physically. Day before yesterday, it has been scanned and filed.
Why you are taking leisurely? The earlier order was 2/2/2023. We are in 24.
2/23, Your Lordship, and
Why did you file yesterday or day before yesterday?
it was prepared and filed, Your Lordship.
Give the hard copy.
Your Lordship, hard copy has been filed in the section.
Then what is the urgency? You mentioned that personal appearance is there.
Lordship, if Your Lordship permits, then it may be taken over on Monday or Tuesday, any day, Your Lordship. By that time, the affidavit would be with Your Lordships.
You have received the affidavit?
Although he has given the affidavit, but in pursuant to my lord's last order, they have not replied in affidavit. Two questions were raised by my lords that was to be replied by the council of the respondents. Firstly, the combined seniority list of the entire Dalpatis, and second question was whether he had filled up 531 posts after the judgment delivered by the LPA court. In these two questions has not been replied explicitly in the affidavit, which I have got. Yesterday
we will submit before Your Lordship.
No, he is saying that
They have prepared, Your Lordship, and
they have prepared what?
they have prepared the list, how many posts have been filled. Out of the 531 posts, Your Lordship, 353 posts have been filled up. The rest were not filled up because no eligible candidate was available, Your Lordship.
No, unless you prepare combined seniority list, how did you determine?
Since it is a district cadre, Your Lordship, district seniority list can only be prepared, Your Lordship. State-wise seniority.
Then where is the allotment of so and so post to each district?
That we have shown already.
No, 531. How you are distributed?
That we have already shown in the annexes earlier.
No, but nothing has been allotted to this particular district.
Your Lordship.
Sir, how many times we have to apprise? There is a violation of Article 14 and 16 in filling up of this newly created 531 post of Panchayat Secretary.
Your Lordship, there is no violation because district-wise social reservation has been provided, Your Lordship. District-wise social reservation has been provided, and we can show from our affidavit that we have provided social reservation as per the required norms, Your Lordship.
So, what about the remaining post?
In 2011, Your Lordship, new Panchayat Secretary rules have come, and thereafter this Honorable Court has decided that those who are left, they have to participate in that process only, and thereafter they will be provided with age relaxation. They have not gone into that, Your Lordship. They have not.
No, this is not examination and other things. Dalpatis are required to be appointed as a panchayat secretary in the light of judicial pronouncement.
May I give a brief background of who are Dalpatis and how they were made panchayat secretary, if Your Lordship permit?
No, by virtue of judicial pronouncement only.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I will come to that, Your Lordship, but kindly have my words, who were Dalpatis and how they became panchayat sevak, thereafter panchayat secretary. Your Lordship, in the villages, there were panchayats. So in villages, there were volunteers who opted for providing security in the village during the night period, because there was a lot of crime during the night period. So able-bodied persons who volunteered to become Raksha Dal members, Gram Raksha Dal members, they volunteered and a group was created in every village. Such groups, such villages combined, a panchayat was made, and thereafter they were recasted as Panchayat Raksha Dal. Now, Your Lordship, what happened that in around 1980s, after 1985 or so, Your Lordship, there was some populist announcement by the government that Gram Raksha Dal volunteers, they will be provided, they were designated as Dalpatis. Now, the state government...
Up to what age Dalpatis are continued in service?
60 years.
Till today.
60 years, sir.
60 years. Do you think that physically they can fight the culprits? Then why did you appoint them continuously?
Can you have the background?
No, you are saying that, that's what you are saying, that who are physically fit
Your Lordship,
in order to prevent crimes.
that was prior to the making of their transformation into the Panchayat Sevak and subsequently into Panchayat Secretaries, Your Lordship. Thereafter, some populist announcements were made by the government that these Dalpatis, they would be provided the post of Panchayat Sevaks. Your Lordship, there was no policy. Thereafter, after cabinet decision.
There is no policy.
There was no policy as such prior to that announcement, Your Lordship. Subsequently...
No, policy was announced on what date? That the Dalpatis can be accommodated as Panchayat Sevaks.
1975.
1975.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, in 1988, this notification 5448 came, Your Lordship, for creation of new panchayats and appointment of Dalpatis as Panchayat Sevaks, Your Lordship. Thereafter, there was a list to be prepared at the village level, Mukhya and Panchayat level, Your Lordship. Thereafter, there was a spate of litigations owing to some persons who were not in the Gram Raksha Dal. They wanted their name to be listed in the register which was prepared at the Mukhya level by the Mukhya. And many illegal persons who were not the members of Gram Raksha Dal, they got their name in the registers.
Every recruitment illegal.
Your Lordship,
Pick and choose method.
it was not pick and choose method. Such illegality, state of litigations, Your Lordship, where seniority in every district.
All right, sir, that is nothing to do with this matter. You let us know.
If my lords may permit, then we lords.
All those things culminated into this, Your Lordship. They are from that background only, Your Lordship.
In the courtrooms, my lords.
And Your Lordship.
If they are that background, what about the persons who other than these persons?
Your Lordship, in the district, they belong to district of West Champaran. In the district of West Champaran, we have shown that there was no vacancy at the Panchayat level for the Dalpatis or Panchayat Sevaks. So, they have no case, Your Lordship.
So you don't want to fill up remaining vacancies?
सर अगर आदेश हो तो सर जिस जिला में पद था सर वो जैसा कि दलपतियों की बहाली के सर कोई शर्त नहीं थे उसका एजुकेशनल
Sir, remaining vacancy, what are you doing? You are keeping in your pocket?
सर की जो भर पाया सर उसके बाद शेष रिमेनिंग को इन जनरल सर भरने का आदेश हुआ सर कि वो
नहीं तो उसको भरने के लिए आप लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
ये वैकेंसी सर जैसे 2011 तक हम लोग सर दलपति का नियुक्ति लगभग समाप्त कर दिए सर। उसके बाद जो जनरल एग्जाम हो रहा है हमारा एसएससी बना
नहीं, अभी आप बताएं 350 के करीब वैकेंसी आप फिलअप किए 531 में से, बाकी तो नहीं किए ना?
हाँ बाकी के सर जो हमारा एग्जाम प्रक्रिया है सर जो स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन।
No, why examination? Why can't these persons?
सर
No, where are you going to fill up the balance vacancies in which district?
सर अब हम दलपति की नियुक्ति नहीं कर रहे हैं सर दलपति की
You are not able to understand.
Milords, they are confusing the courts. Milords, if my lords may permit, then I say something, Milords.
But 531 vacancies were prior to rules, no? They are
Milords,
in terms of that.
हमको यह कहने दीजिए, हुजूर 11/6/2008 की चिट्ठी प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी पंचायती राज विभाग ने ही निकाला जिसमें इन्होंने एडमिटेड दैट 531 पोस्ट will be filled up by those persons in whose favor judicial orders has been passed and that has got finality. Milords, it is the 11/6/2008 letter is issued by the principal secretary of the department, and now today they are saying, even Milords, in today's affidavit he has given 2 instances. He has not disclosed that how much post he has filled up. He has given 2 instances only, that in paragraph Milords 9 he says in Nevada district out of 12 vacant posts of Dalpati only 1 was appointed. In Vaishali district out of 54 vacant posts 36 has been appointed, and about rest he has not whispered at all. And here he is saying that I have filled up 331 posts. That 331 posts have been filled up by whom? Whether any judicial order were passed in their favor and that has got finality in view of letter dated 11/6/2008. This is the question, Milords. And they have not replied this.
Taken pursuant to the order dated 2/2/2023, Deputy Secretary is stated to have filed the affidavit and it has not been tagged. Therefore, registry is hereby directed to tag the same. At the same time, Land Counsel for the petitioner submitted that there is no compliance to the order dated 2023. The affidavit filed by the Deputy Secretary. So therefore, the Principal Secretary is hereby directed to appear in person along with the concerned records to stop. Before appearance of the Principal Secretary, it is requested the Principal Secretary to read the file thoroughly, including our order sheets, including our orders issued from time to time in the present matter, so as to assist in the matter, release this matter next week